Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss the topic past tense. The past tense, under the title, we are going to discuss about past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous. My dear students, there are two types of verbs. One is a regular verb, another one is irregular verb. Regular verb forms, we are adding ed for all the persons. For example, here play, work, stay, listen. All these verb forms, b1 form, present form, base form. We are to use the b2 form for the past simple and also past tense, the remaining past perfect and other things. How to change the base form verb into v2 form and v3 form? For regular verbs, we have to add ed with that. Play, played, work, worked, stay, stayed, listen, listened. Related to that, some spelling rules are here. The first one is, if the verb ends with the ending consonant is stressed here, we have to double the consonant. Here P, stop. Here P is a consonant. So we have to double if the consonant is stressed. Stop, stopped. Swap, swapped. Next, second rule for the spelling in the changing of V2 from the V1. Love. We have to add T when the verb ends with E. Save, saved. The third rule, verbs ending in Y preceded by a consonant. Change Y into I. After that, we have to add ed. Hurry. The verb ends with Y, and before that, consonant or is here. So, because of this, we have to change this Y into I. After that, we have to add ed for the V2 form. V3. This rules for the regular verbs. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs changes from infinitives usually with vowel with the vowel change. Here, speak. The V2 form spoke. Eat V2 form ate. See V2 form saw. Play V2 form flew. Think V2 form thought. Irregular verbs. The first form and the second form totally changed. So we call it irregular verb. Next, in the past tense, B form verbs are there. One is was, another one is were. In the present tense, are, am, is, all these verbs are B form verbs in the present tense. But in the past tense, was, were. Where to use was a singular verb, where is plural verb. We have to use was after this singular subject I, he, she, it. And we have to use where, the plural verb, after the subject you, we, they. First of all, in the past tense, the first division is past simple. Past simple. Where to use the past simple? And what is the form of the sentence? And everything we are going to learn. We are using this past simple for the actions that started and finished the past. Example sentence: I went to the beach last Sunday. I bought a new car. Here went. Go is the verb one. Went as V2. So we have to use the verb V2 here. Buy is the V1 and bought is the V2. So we have to use V2 form here first. How to write a negative sentence in the past simple? I did not work yesterday. Then here, did plus not plus base form verb. I did not work yesterday. Short form, I didn't work yesterday. My dear students, you should not write I didn't work it. Worked is wrong. I didn't work yesterday. You should not use these be2 form again here. Subject plus did plus not plus work, base form verb, the negative sentence. Some more examples. I didn't go on last year, holiday last year. This is the right sentence. You should not write I didn't went on a holiday last year. This is the wrong sentence. So this is the right sentence and this is the wrong sentence. Negative sentences using the be form verbs. Example, I was not at school yesterday afternoon. Short form, I was not at school yesterday afternoon. This is for was and were using the be form verb were in the negative. They were not at home last weekend. They weren't at home last week. Short form and form. Now, let's know about how to frame interrogative sentence in this past simple. What is the form of the interrogative sentence in the past simple? Did plus, subject plus, main verb plus, rest of the sentence. Example, did you work yesterday? This is, did you work yesterday? Answer, yes, I did. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. I repeat again. This short form of this did plus not didn't. Here, this is the interrogative sentence. Did plus the form of that, the format of the interrogative sentence, the past simple. Did plus, subject plus, main verb plus, rest of the sentence. If the base form verb, if we use the be form verbs in the sentence, how to frame the questions? Was or were plus subject plus rest of the sentence. Were you at home last weekend? Yes, I was. No, I was not. So we are using was or were in the beginning. What is the right sentence for this? You were at home last weekend. This is a positive sentence. The question sentence, were you at home last Sunday, last weekend? If the answer is yes, yes I was. If the answer is no, yes, no I was not. We have to remember these things for the be form verbs in the past simple. For the positive sentence, I was in London last year. Negative sentence, they were not at home last weekend. For yes or no type questions, were you ill yesterday? So we have to use the be form verb in these places for these type of sentences. I want to show you the time description of the past simple. So here we are, this is present, July, and January is the past, December is the future. This April 24 is the past. Here is the past, and here any point of time in the past we can use the past simple tense. Past simple tense. And particularly in a detailed way, you have to know about it. We use past simple tense when we talk about completed action in the past. In the past. Now we are here in the present. We use the simple past for the completed action in the past. I washed my car yesterday. He ate pizza last night. Next, again I want to show you that kind of verbs here. Regular verbs, irregular verbs. Here regular verb, walked. For the past simple, walked. Want, wanted. Help, helped. Decide, decided. Agree, agreed. If the verb ends with y, preceded by a vowel. Already I have told you, again I show you again. You can repeat it, you can remember it clearly. If the verb ends with y preceded by a consonant, we have to drop the y and we have to turn into I, then add ed. Play here, played. Stay, stayed. Here y, but it is a vowel. If it is consonant, we have to double. We have to change y into that. We have to remember clearly. You can ask question. Here a. Why you are not changing this y into I? Because the rule is if the verb ends with y preceded by a consonant, here preceded by vowel, so we should not change y into I. We have to change here because D is a consonant here, so we have to change y into I. Then after that we have to add ed. And some more kinds of sentences in the simple past. For the positive sentence, subject plus verb in the past tense, then complement. Tom visited us last week. I ran in the competition. So this is for the positive sentence. The negative sentence, subject plus, didn't plus, verb in the base form, plus complement. Example sentence, Tom didn't visit us last week. I didn't run in the competition. So these are all the example sentence for the negative sentence. Next, the simple, how to use a simple past in the question sentence. Again, I will show you. For the first, yes or no type question. Did plus subject plus verb in the base form for that complement. Did Tom visit you last week? Here, informative questions, that is WH questions. WH questions, after that did plus subject plus then verb in the base form, and after that complement. Where did you run last year? Sample sentence for this. What happens when we use the verb, the be form verb was, where? For the negative sentences, use the negative form of the contraction, that is a short form. Never use didn't. Here, for this, was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. We should not use didn't here. For the negative form, was not short form, wasn't. Were not short form, weren't. Yes or no type questions. Was or where plus subject plus was. Iron in the house. Where the all answer for these questions yes or no. For the WH questions, why was Aaron in the house? Where were you last night? So it is informative questions. That is the first one as a yes or no type question. Next, my dear students, let's discuss about second one, past continuous tense. First one we have discussed about simple past. Now let's discuss about past continuous tense. Examples: the farmer was working at 6 o'clock yesterday evening. This is the format for the first person, for the second person, for the third person. First person, I was. We are using helping verb was with the first person. We are using where with the second person, singular and plural. Second person plural, third person plural. You were playing, we were playing, they were playing. But here, he, she, it, singular. He was playing. So was is singular and where is plural. And this one for the positive affirmative sentence. And this format for that first one, the left side is interrogative, that's question sentence. Second one is negative sentence. How to frame question sentence? I was playing, that is positive sentence. Was I playing? That is question. Were you playing? Were we playing? Were they playing? Question sentence. Was he playing? Was he playing? Was it playing? Question sentence. Then if you want to write in the negative, in the past continuous, I was not playing, you were not playing, he was not playing. Negative sentence. Then I want to show you clearly the time description about this. And this is now, this is the present. This is the past. We use the past continuous tense to describe the action or a period of time in the past. This action started here. I started doing, I finished doing. Any action. Here, between this, I was doing. For example, what were they doing yesterday at 8 o'clock? At 8 o'clock, what were they doing? Action is in progress. They were working all day. We use the past continuous to say that somebody was in the middle of doing something at a certain time. This time, yesterday, the hairdresser was working. Exams. Past simple, past continuous are used together when something happened in the middle of something else. Here, the policeman broke his ankle while he was running after the dog. Past simple. Here, past continuous. One action happened and finished. The point of time, another action was in progress. It was in continuing. For that, we are using this past continuous form. The past simple, past continuous do not mean exactly the same. Here, when Mary arrived, we were having dinner. When Mary arrived, we had dinner. We were having dinner, that is, action was in progress. Here, the action over. So this means that we already started dinner before Mary arrived. And this sentence meaning, this means Mary arrived first and then we had dinner. And here also in this picture also the time is given. Some time expression in this type of sentence is past continuous tense. While, as, when. While the band was playing, mobile rang. While, we are using while. Here the police officer broke her leg when she was running. Police officer broke her leg when she was running. When I was having a shower when the phone rang. So we are using when, while in these type of sentences. So while also we are using this here, some example sentence here. The time expressions with the past continuous. While the band was playing, mobile phone rang. While Jane was doing the washing up, I was doing the ironing. When I was walking home, when I met Dave. So this type of time expressions we are using. And now some questions are here. Underline the subject and verb in ing in these sentences. Your answer. Some children is the subject were playing, verb in ing. The subject was presenting, verb in ing. I subject was sleeping is verb in ing. My friend subject were watching. It subject was read. So these are all the things about the past. Yes. Now, in the past tense, the third one is the past perfect. Where to use the past perfect? This tense indicates an action was finished at some point in the past before something else happened. In this case, past perfect was past simple. Completed action before something in the past. Completed action for something in the past. Clearly you can see here. I had eaten breakfast before I went school. I went school. I had eaten before I went school. I had eaten breakfast before I went to school. Two action in the past. Went to school, had breakfast. Which happened first? I had eaten breakfast. We are using this past perfect in this place. How do we use the past perfect tense? The past perfect tense expresses action in the past before another action in the past. This is the past in the past. Past in the past. That is the past perfect. Example, the train left 9 a.m. We arrived at 9. When we arrived, I want to say when we arrived, the train had left because the train left first action. Past in the past. Past perfect. The past perfect in you. Here, my friend stopped. Here, the Titanic had received many warnings before it hit the ice. It hit the iceberg. Titanic received many warnings. Two past events. But which one happened first? Titanic had received. So for that past in past, we are using the past perfect. I had already eaten when my friend stopped by to visit. Things happen in the beginning, but we are using perfect. We are using the past perfect to talk about the past action ended before another action. For time in the past, we use before and after. We use the simple past. Yeah, the film had started before we arrived. We also use the past perfect to show cause of the past action. I was tired on Monday because I had not slept well that night before. With the time expressions such as when, after, before, as soon as, by the time, by, until. Examples: by the time I got home, my mother had already prepared dinner. This type of time expressions. He came to my house. Simple past tense. I had already left. Past perfect. To write in a sentence. He came to my home after I had already left. He came to my house. For past. After I had already left. Past perfect. Similar sentences using after and before here. Finished work, watch TV. After I had finished work, I watched TV. Using the word before I watched TV, I had finished my homework. We are using similar sentences using after and before in the past perfect. Similar sentences using by the time, soon as. Here some clues: eat breakfast, go to school. Yeah. By the time I went to school, I had eaten my breakfast. Using as soon as I had eaten my breakfast, I went to school. By the time as well, as soon as. Here a clue: police arrive. Key points, keywords: thief escape. By the time the police arrived, the thief had escaped. As soon as the thief had escaped, the police arrived. So we are using time expressions like by the time, as well as soon as, after, before. In detailed way we can learn it. Then we can understand clearly. Where to use this past perfect? First, to use a completed action before something in the past. The past perfect expresses the idea that something occurred before another action in the past. It can also show that something happened before the specific time in the past. Example sentence. The first one: completed action before something in the past. She only understood the movie before she had read the book. I had never seen such a beautiful sunset before I went to Hawaii. Second use of the past perfect: duration before something in the past. We can also use the past perfect to show that something started in the past and continued up until the another action in the past. In this, using examples, we had owned our car for 10 years before it finally died. Again, they had been married for 5 years when they had their first child. So we use this type of sentences. We can use this past perfect to show that some started in the past and continued up until another action in the past. Important, very important, we have to note it. The past perfect is not like present perfect. It is possible to use specific time, words, and phrases with the past perfect. Here, although this is possible, it was usually not necessary. Here, past perfect, two actions in the past. The first one we are using simple past. Second, first one which is happen in the beginning, the previous action we are using past perfect. And second one simple past we are using. So the things about past perfect. Often you can use the simple past or the past perfect. She had visited the US once in 2000 before she moved her in 2005. This is the past perfect. We can use the same concept here. She visited the US once in 2000 before she moved here in 2005. Past perfect tense. How do we make the present perfect tense in English? Here, he had already left when she called. This type of sentence already we have seen many times. Again, I show you the form of the pattern of the past perfect tense: subject plus, had plus, verb in the past participle. Now, how to write the past perfect in the negative form? Had not plus verb or hadn't plus verb. Teacher hadn't finished correcting papers when the students started to arrive. These are all the things about past perfect. My dear students, now the fourth one, the last one in the past tense, past perfect continuous tense. What is the past perfect continuous? Where to use? What are the example sentences for this? The structure of the past perfect continuous tense: subject plus auxiliary verb is have, an auxiliary verb being formed. Here past participle. Past participle of be is being. Next main verb. First one is the past tense. Here affirmative sense, positive sense. I had been working. You had been playing tennis. The negative sentence, it had not been working well. We had not been expecting her. So here negative sentence. Question sentence, had you been drinking? Had they been waiting long? These are all the type of tenses in the past perfect continuous tense. I had been is a short form, full form and short form perfect continuous. Again, please see this form of this past perfect continuous: subject plus had plus been plus verb in ing. Past perfect continuous. Here in the present. Action happen, began in the past and continue in the past. The structure of the past perfect continuous tense: subject plus helping verb plus another helping verb plus main verb. Example sentence: I had been playing cricket, we had been playing cricket, you had been playing cricket. In the Past perfect continuous also. Positive sentence, negative sentence, question sentence. How to write? How to write negative sentence? How to write question sentence? Positive sentence had been plus first form of verb in ing. Negative sentence had plus, not plus, been plus first form of verb plus ing. Person had is used before subject, after that being plus first form verb ing is used. Past perfect continuous positive sentence example. Subject I, then had been plus verb in ing. I had been doing. He had been doing. We had been doing. An important thing is he, she, it. So the verb had is common. But the present, he, she, it, we are using has. The present tense. But here past tense, had is a common for all the persons. First person, second person, a third person. It's a negative sentence. We are adding not between had and been. So we are framing the negative sentence in this way. Question sentence. To frame question sentence. In the past perfect continuous, I had been doing is positive sentence. Positive question, had I been doing, it is reverse. Reverse. If we use had been in the beginning, regularly had I been doing, had you been doing, that is interrogative sentence. We are changing that. So far we have learned about all the four forms in the past tense. First one, first of all we learned about past simple, then negative sentences, yes or no type questions, then form, structure, kinds of the verbs in the simple past, then past continuous tense. We have learned interrogative sentence, how to write a negative sentence. Then after learning this, we have learned about past perfect tense. We have learned about the structure of the sentence and more examples related to the topic. Then after past perfect, we have learned about past perfect continuous, then structure of the sentence, example sentence, then usages, how to frame negative and question sentences in the past perfect continuous. My dear students, you watch this video again, you learn it again and again. If you have any questions, you can ask. I will clarify your doubt. Learn and practice. Thank you so much, my dear students. Thank